Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a Charmast 10,400 milliamp power bank. Now this is the best power bank you can get for about $20. I'll throw a link in the description. We're going to get into it in this video. So this is a slim thin 10,000 milliamp power bank. Like I said, technically it's 10,400, but they just say 10,000 for short. It's an 18 watt fast charger. You're on the go. You can charge pretty much any device with Type-C really fast. So here it is. Very nice packaging. Ring pouch. It's Charmast branded, as you can see, which is really nice touch. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. This is what it looks like. It has an LED display. Really nice. It's 100% already. Aside for now and check what else is in here. Cable, as well as a user manual and a service card. So here's the power bank. Now we can go into the specs. So like I said, 10,400. It is an 18 watt fast charger. Micro USB input, charges at a minimum of 5 volts 2 amps and a maximum of 9 volts 2 amps. It also has a USB-C input output, which goes a minimum of 5 to 6 volts at 3 amps and a maximum of 9 to 12 volts at 1.5 amps. The specs that I'm reading, it says that the USB Type-C is as fast as the USB port, which is false. Be 9 watts. Decently fast on the USB ports. The PD port is going to be the fastest. Charge the power bank as well, so we're going to see how much it decreases with about a 10% charge. Yeah, and we're also going to take a look at the time and see how long it takes. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Let's get a device. We have a device here, so 75%. It's 11:11 a.m. Plug this in. I'm going to do this on time lapse so you guys pay attention to the percent. I'm just going to keep this upside down, so yeah, but it has a little indicator that it's fast charging, which is really nice. Alright, and it is fully charged. It went down about 9%. It's at 100%. So we started at 11:11, meaning this took about 36 minutes to fully charge. And it obviously goes a lot slower once it's near the 100% mark because it goes the phone just charges slower. I have to re-look at the clip, but I believe that in the beginning it went really quick. I know that it went from 75 to about 8% in about 5 minutes, and it just slowed down from there. But I'm gonna have to recheck that anyways. This is really good though, because it only went down 90% for 25% charge. Meaning, if your phone's about to die or something and you need to charge it really quick just to do something, you can do that in like 20-30 minutes. And then you can have like 30%. An 18 watt charger. I'm gonna have to test it on an iPhone as well. So far this is a really good power bank. It's a really good deal as well because it's only like 20 bucks. I believe the other one was 20 bucks as well that I reviewed from Charmast. But I'm gonna have to re-look at that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.